Hey, I'm Aaron, and you got a six-pack? Psh, I have a hex pack. Today we'll be taking a closer look at hex pack. Okay, so here we have hex packs close up. This is a 3D printed puzzle by Jared Peterson, and it falls as a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. This is a dual layered packing puzzle, so the whole goal of this is to put all of these pieces into this internal space so it sits flush. These pieces have 2 layers, so we can see that we have chunks sticking off in that, and they overlap each other. The 3D printing is very high quality and feels like a pretty durable plastic at this point. Has a nice speckled finish with no real gaps visible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.